In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get all tickets created months ago using JQL in Jira. Whether you're managing a complex project or just want to track ticket creation over time, understanding how to construct effective JQL queries can be an invaluable skill in your Jira toolkit. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to find tickets that were created a specific number of months in the past. Let's dive right in. When we talk about retrieving Jira tickets from months ago, we're essentially tapping into the power of JQL, or Jira Query Language. This tool allows users to search for issues within your Jira projects with great precision. To achieve our goal, we can use the created field alongside relative date operators such as 1M for 1 month ago, or 3M if you're looking for something created 3 months ago. Now let's go over how to construct our JQL query. The basic structure you'll use is straightforward yet powerful. You'll want to begin with the created keyword, which references when each ticket was initially logged into the system. After that, you incorporate the comparison operator greater than or equal to, followed by XM. Here, X represents the number of months you're interested in. For example, if you want to look back 3 months, you would substitute X with 3, forming the query created equals 3M. The beauty of this approach is its simplicity and flexibility. This query filters through your projects to spotlight all tickets created in the time frame you're interested in, whether that's spanning back just a month or several, allowing you to stay on top of your projects and respond to any emerging trends or issues. For clarity, let's consider a concrete example. If you want to find all tickets created within the last month, you'd use the query created equals 1M. This will ensure that any tickets generated 1 month ago or more recently will be displayed in your results. By adeptly using these queries, you can easily tailor your Jira searches to better track project progress, monitor workload distribution, and maintain focus on your team's priorities. Remember, the flexibility of the JQL and the adaptability of its operators mean you can employ these queries across different timelines as necessary, refining your project management strategy to suit evolving needs. As you continue to work with Jira, becoming comfortable with JQL will undoubtedly enhance your efficiency and efficacy. Experiment with different timeframes and queries to see what insights you can gather from your ticket data. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more Jira tips and tricks that can help streamline your project management efforts even further.